faces of the Kerala strikers. Priyadarshan, who owns the Kerala strikers, and also the brand ambassador of them, Lakshmi Rai. Lakshmi Rai for you. The brand ambassador of Kerala strikers, shot the calendar for CCL. Plenty of pretty faces around, isn't it, Sabha?
I reserve my comments, Amol. Hits it well. It goes to the fence. Misfielding in the deep. Pastry Pakawa. And helps Bhaskar to get another boundary for his side. He goes on to 65. He's in with a chance to get 100 here. He needs to get more of the strike here.
Well, nothing's going right for them, is it? Well, just slip up and it hits the skirting. Gone to 185 in just 16 overs. And, remember, Bhaskar is playing with the runner. And a deft touch following that emphatic drive through covers. And that's sensible batting. He's picking a spot to perfection.
That's how you define cricket sense, batting sense. He's aware of the field position and he's tried to play according to that. This time was almost in the block hole. He just opens his bat at the last moment and he guides it between the keeper and the short third man. Races to the fence. That's excellent batting from Bhaskar. Rajiv is on 115. What kind of score they're heading to? 189 without loss at this stage, the Bulldozers. Projected score 231. They may jolly well get to about 250 if they bat like this.
Possibly break all records of CCL. And this time it's over. Fine leg. Oh, terrific batting. Falling shorts of describing these kind of shots. Well, 3 in a row.
Study and contrast the dugout camps of the Bulldozers and the strikers. That was improvisation at its best. A paddle shot there by Bhaskar over the fielder. A short fine. He's toying with the bowling here, Bhaskar. It is good in a way because that'll give some breathing space to Rajiv, who has batted quite well. So this is a terrific combination for the Bulldozers.
This time it is just a single. Well, remember Bhaskar is playing with a runner. Oh, I feel for that runner, Sabha. Karthik is his name and he's been out there for 194 runs on the board. And he hasn't faced a single delivery. He just ran for Bhaskar. Oh, that struck very well. He is just standing on his ground and just... Well, mayhem.
That's an incredible shot from Rajiv. He's been there for some time now, but still to play something like that, you require a different kind of talent. I want to see that from Rajiv today. What can they do? The supporters in the dugout of the strikers, they had a great game yesterday when they beat Tigers. But this has been complete despair for them. Onto the stumps. They'll get a single in the end. And they're going for the second one. They've completed quite easily. So after 17 they have reached 200.